Hello viewers, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Again welcome on my channel Cambridge Campus. Today I am going to discuss very simple topic, ledger. What is ledger? How many types of ledger are in accounting, and in fact what is the difference between account and ledger? So let's start. Types of ledger. Ledger is a book where all accounts are kept. The entire group of accounts maintained by the company is ledger. Means different types of accounts are kept in a book. That book is called ledger. So there are three types of ledger in accounting. One is sales ledger, other is purchase ledger, and third is journal ledger. So we see one by one. What is sales ledger? All credit customers account are called sales ledgers. Means if a business is making credit sales to any customer account, so that credit customer account is known as sales ledger. So in short, sales ledger is a book where all accounts of credit customers are kept. Same if we come to the purchase ledgers means all suppliers account are purchase ledgers. Mean a business is doing credit purchases to specific suppliers, so all suppliers account to whom business owed money are known as purchase ledger. Journal ledger, all other T accounts except customers and suppliers are journal ledger. Like you can see bank account, cash account, capital account, these are known journal ledger. So what is the advantage to the business for such division of ledger? First advantage could be workload can be shared among several people. Easier for reference, helps in locate details of any transaction, easier to introduce checking procedure, and reduce possibility of fraud. So such type of exam question could come from the ledger topic. Name the ledger in which each of the following accounts would appear. Like a credit customer account. As you know, all credit customers comes in sales ledger category. Purchase account, it is journal ledger. Discount received, it is also journal ledger. Tobacco, a credit supplier. So all credit suppliers are purchase ledger. Same, it is another past paper question. Sales account, what type of ledger is it? Of course, it is journal ledger. Drawings, journal ledger. Amit, a credit customers. Again, credit customer is sales ledger. Purchase returns, journal ledger. Discount allowed, journal ledger. A credit supplier, purchase ledger. So normally Cambridge examiner can confuse by writing sales and purchase, and students used to mix it with the sales ledger. Remember, sales account is journal ledger, not sales ledger. When you will see the credit customer name, then you will say it is sales ledger. So again, such type of question in MCQs form could come, which transaction is recorded in the purchase ledger? When you see the word purchase ledger, it means payment to supplier. Of course, if you see option B, check paid to credit supplier, this transaction would be recorded in purchase ledger. Winston returned goods to Hanif. Which entries will Winston make in his ledger? So Winston is returning goods. Of course, it is purchase returns. So purchase returns credit and Hanif would be debit. So Hanif is purchase ledger because it is supplier account, and purchase returns is journal ledger. So option C is right. Same if you see MCQ number 3, Y account appears in the ledger of X. Mean X is the business where ledgers are maintained, and X account. See X account, it is by seeing the transaction credit customer because sales and bank written at the debit and credit side. So that means Y owed money to X because Y is the customer. So you can see the option 31st January Y was a debtor of X. 20th January Y supplied goods. C is totally wrong. Y paid, no, this is also wrong. Y was owed by X, this is also wrong. So D is right answer. Same, which is a personal account. Individual customer and suppliers are personal account, like trade receivable is right option. Anna is a trader. Cindy account in ledger showed a credit balance 520. So Cindy account has credit balance. It means Cindy is the supplier. The following transaction took place. Anna returned goods 30 to Cindy. Mean the business has returned goods to the supplier 30 and the opening balance was 520. So remaining balance is 490. Second transaction, Anna bought goods from Cindy and paid in cash. Yes, this is very tricky. And paid in cash. Paid in cash means he has already paid the cash, so there would be no supplier. This will not affect to Cindy account because he is paying to Cindy. So the remaining balance would be 490. It means Cindy owed or Anna owed. Of course, Anna owes Cindy 490. So A is the right option. So remember, an account shows the detail of individual item, for example, cash account, machinery account. However, a ledger keeps many accounts in it. For example, there are 3 credit customers, Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C. All 3 accounts are written in sales ledger heading. So hopefully after this lesson, you would be clear the difference between account and ledger. So account is single item where you will record the single detail of one item, either asset or liability. But when we talk about ledger, ledger is a book where all accounts are kept. Jazakallah, thank you so much.